Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off comments on Instagram posts, creator settings step by step clearly.
Open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to manage comments. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu.
Scroll down to the section related to how others can interact with you.
Tap Comments to open comment controls.
If you see multiple options, choose comment controls or similar wording.
Look for a setting that manages comments for your posts.
Tap the option that says Allow Comments or a toggle that controls comments. Switch the toggle off to disable comments for your future posts if that option is available. If Instagram asks you to confirm, tap Turn Off or Disable to approve the change. Go back to your profile to apply the setting to a specific post if needed. Open the post where you want to turn off comments. Tap the three dots in the top right of the post.
Tap Turn Off Commenting from the Actions list. Check that the Comments section now shows that commenting is limited or turned off. If you want to re-enable comments later, open the same post again. Tap the three dots on that post one more time. Tap Turn On Commenting to restore comments. For creator accounts, return to Settings and Privacy to find Creator Tools. Tap Account Type in Tools or Creator Tools depending on your app version.
Verify you are using a creator account for access to advanced controls.
Go back to Comments settings after confirming your account type.
Use keyword filters or comment filters if you prefer controlling instead of turning off completely.
Enable hidden words if you want Instagram to auto-hide offensive comments. Review your changes by viewing your post as a visitor would. Repeat these steps for any other posts where you want comments disabled.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.